All right, it's Get Touch. What is it? Tuesday, I believe. Wednesday. It's Get Touched Wednesday. Okay, guys, Get Touched Wednesday. We lost today again, 3 days in a row. I'll go over. I lost Monday, shorts. Tuesday, shorts. Wednesday, shorts. I think there's something mentally wrong with me. I'm just kidding. I wanted these lows here. As you can see, I wanted price to come down here and possibly even fill in this gap. That was going to be my target. That's what I wanted because as you can see, we're just infinitely expanding on both of these pairs. Even the another reason why my bias has been short is because we're literally in a war and we're ripping. That don't make something has to be lying, right? Somewhere somehow has to be lying. But, I don't know. Shorts just look so good to me and that's my model. It just looks good. I don't really see reasonable targets to the upside besides now here cuz we've pushed up so much, but in the moment they look good to me. And look, even when I go down to the 5 minute here, look even better. Look. We had these, swept them perfectly. Then as soon as we swept them, we displace and break structure. And I entered at the... Oh, clicked that wrong. Bingo. Right there, the 79 extension of it, which basically means that it broke structure. So bang, stops here, small stop, target here. I was going to take profits once we swept this low. We got all this down here. Yet we just chop your way on up. So, and we're in this huge, we just recently, honestly, on the move up, what I really wanted to get swept was all this. I was like, okay, sure, we might want to take all this, sweep that out, and then probably get a push down to fill in this huge gap that we formed. And here is the 4 hour that we were sitting in. And I was like, okay, we've been chopping in it. I was filling orders, filling them. Let's come down. That's what I was thinking. And we've already hit the equilibrium of it. And then we go up, sweep that. And I was like, bingo, this is the shorts I've been waiting for. Nada. Loss. Straight to the dome. And then let's go to yesterday. Let's see if I remember what I did yesterday. 9:30, 9:50. Go down to the 1 minute. Let's see. I literally think I took this. I did take this. Break a... Did I? What did I take? Let's see. Sweep this. Scoop. Data high. And then I had targets lower. Yeah, that's what I did. Same thing here. Literally, basically the exact same idea and the same loss if you think about it. We took a data high and I got displacement. And I entered and I think I got filled on this candle. And I just instantly got stopped out. I was going to target. I mean, I had crazy runners. I mean, I was going to do something crazy like this. I thought this was... We were just going to dump off the moon. But got rinsed. Because, this was my only other target to the upside. And, I literally could have targeted this. Which is crazy. So 2 shorts I took losses on. I don't know. I don't know what I'm really going to change going forward because, this is my model. This is what made me $40,000 2 months in a row. I've made money with this. It's just kind of unfortunate now that I've taken, Monday, I broke my rules last Monday. And so that cost me to lose a lot of accounts. And then now it's like, okay, I don't have any past accounts besides my live account that's at like 4,000 right now. So I still have that to make me money, but I mean, it's not much. I'm not risking that much with it. But Monday broke my rules, so no XFAs, no past accounts, no accounts that can make me money. So honestly, I mean, right now, obviously, I'm just like eval jail. And it's unfortunate because, like, I buy more evals and then I start with a loss. And, like, I mean, if I keep losing like this, like, if I, like, if I blow these ones I just bought today, like, I'm going to buy a couple more that I just lost. But, like, after that, I'm just going to stick with, like, a set until I get a payout. That way I don't end up just blowing all the money I made this month. I made 16,000 and I'm waiting for Apex to put me on live. So like I have money to use to get more accounts, but I just don't want to be going crazy trying to buy when like market's just like bull run with no real like actual retrace. So like I'm all for longs, but I want a reason for long. Like if market open and we move lower, shoot, I'd have been like, yeah, I want those data highs. I mean, I want those highs and I want higher. That's cool. I'm fine with that. But market just opens, sweeps data highs. I'm like, bang, gets good displacement on the 1 minute, and I was like, okay, this looks good. I got a good entry and everything, and then we just chop on up, and we just keep going up. Every time we go down, and it looks like we're going down, we go up every single time. Look, uh. I mean, obviously, I mean, if you go to the daily, I mean, the daily I wanted to retrace, but I guess we wanted these daily highs up here, but we're literally about to be at all-time highs, which is crazy. Which is insane. But yeah, we'll see what happens. See what I do for the rest of this week. Hopefully, maybe by the end of this week, I can pass some evaluation. So the next week, I would be starting with past accounts. That's the plan. That's the play. If I get a trade tomorrow, that'd be cool. If not, it's also fine. Thank y'all for staying with me. Thank y'all for watching these videos. Thank you for all the support. We just hit 10K on TikTok, which is amazing, guys. I'm going to continue pumping out content, trying to give you all the best information I can, kind of just go through my journey in trading. I've been trading for 3 years. And for the past 7 months, I've been profitable. I've made money every single month and been up on every single month. So I have a good amount of profitability under my belt. Obviously, you know, there's people out there with years of profitability, but like at that point, if they're not making crazy bread at that point, then they're just lying, you know. Because like the fact that I was able to make $40,000 within 3 months of becoming profitable is absolutely insane. Just my dream by the end of this year, my goals for the end of this year is to have a live account that's over 6 figures. So that's making me, I want my live account to be literally clearing my monthly expenses and some. Like I want my live account to be like chill guy, like I'm bringing in 15, like 10 to 20 of upwards of $40,000 depending on how good I do. I want that to be my live account, and then funded accounts I want to just be renting as much as I can to continue investing hardcore. I'm really going to be grinding that so then I can just basically be chill guy retired by like, I want to retire by like, I mean, be retired. Am I going to continue to trade for the rest of my life? Yes. I mean, it takes like an hour out of your day. Why wouldn't you? But like full grind till maxing. I mean, it'd be just nice to have enough money put aside to where if I made no money from trading ever again, I would be set for life. And I feel like this is how you need to be once you start making money. Don't like, yeah, like maybe your first payout, go reward yourself, go like out to a nice dinner or a nice restaurant or buy something that you really wanted. But then after that, bro, lock in, reinvest it, and start stacking it as much and best as your ability. And like put some aside for funded accounts. Like you're gonna have bad weeks. Like this has just been a bad week for me, and it's caused me, you know, like it sucks. Like it's part of trading though. Like you're gonna have bad weeks. It's my first bad week since really making crazy money. Like before, like I really didn't lose many accounts the prior months of making $40,000. Like I've only I maybe spent like 3K on fundeds, and I've probably spent that right now already trying to make it back. So I'm absolutely blessed. I'm in the greatest situation ever. I'm so grateful to God. given me this ability and given me this opportunity, and has just blessed me beyond means. And guys, I mean, the journey with trading is hard. It is difficult. It is a struggle. It is a very long and tedious process, and it's going to suck at times, and it's really going to test your mental. That is what trading does. It absolutely tests your mental. And if you're not mentally dialed, and if you're not locked in, and if you're not like journaling your thoughts, and if you're not like being self-aware of how you feel and how you're acting and like everything, it's really going to mess you up, guys. And I don't want y'all to go through that. I don't want y'all it's bound to happen. I feel like it's canon that you're going to be at a moment where you think it's impossible, where you think there's no way, where right now I feel backed against a wall. Like, oh my gosh, will I be able to make money from trading? Oh my gosh, you have all these negative thoughts, negative attitudes, negative things in your mind right now. And when you take losses, it just stacks on it, especially when you've never made money. It's even worse because you've never even proven to yourself that you can make money. Right now, I mean, mine's still pretty bad right now because, I mean, I made a mistake, and then I've removed the mistake from my trading, but yet I'm still losing. And so, like, it's kind of mentally putting me down. But moments like this is what prepares me for when I'm making $100,000 a month. What prepares me when I'm making $300, $400, $1 million. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is what prepares you for the next come up. Every single time I go down, I come back 10 times better. Okay, and this is the mindset and the mentality you have to have. When you're down, work harder, push yourself, and realize the goal. Okay, I want you to see yourself at the goal, at the vision, at where you want to be. And then every day you need to live that out. You need to live that out and become that person. Right now, I'm up money. That's just what it is. Like, you can't think you're not profitable. Otherwise, you're going to trade differently. You're going to trade worse. I like the way I've been trading. I like the setups I've been seeing. I like the entries I've been getting. They've just not been playing out. But that's fine. That's part of the game. I'm just going to wake up every single morning and do it again. Do it again, do it again, do it again, do it again. Learn from mistakes, get better, get better. And that's part of the game. That's part of trading, and that's part of life. And that's what's going to have to happen to get there. That's what you're going to have to do to achieve your goals. All right, guys, a little bit of little mind dump there. That honestly helped me mentally, too. That helped lock me in a little bit. Guys, I'm going to work so freaking hard. If y'all can work as hard as I'm about to work, not trying to be like glazing myself, not trying to be putting myself up there, but like if y'all put in the work, you will achieve this. And that's the thing with trading. Like if you actually do what it's required to get there, and you actually just really push yourself, like you know your limit, you know what you can accomplish, you know what you can do. And if you do that day in and day out as hard as you can, you're going to sleep like a baby, first off, because you know you gave everything. When you give everything every single day, no matter the result, you're going to feel better. You're going to feel better every single day, and you're going to get better, okay? And over time, these losses, these failures, these times where you're like, damn, like, I suck at this. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm not profitable. Maybe I can't make money. Maybe this will never work out. That's actually when you're growing the most, okay? You need lows. Look, bro, think about how market moves, okay? Higher highs and higher lows, okay? This is a low right now, but it's higher than my previous lows. And as long as that continues in a trend, you will progress. We're about to rip to higher highs, guys. So lock in, push yourself, work very hard. Work very hard. Do not take time for granted. We're given a finite amount from the Father, and only He knows when you will go. Only He knows what will happen. But all that we are given to steward is our time, our day. And if we do not give it all every single day, then we are not stewarding our time not stewarding our time correctly. Okay. Oh my goodness. Almost said profitably. But oh my gosh, I just had a brain fart. But all right, guys. That's all I got today. Hopefully that's motivating. Hopefully that's, lighting a fire in you right now. Because if it's lit right now, don't let it go out. Don't ever let it go out. Continue working, continue pushing, keep working, keep putting in effort. And I promise you this shit will work out. This will work out. I know it will. Because I've done it. And I've been in your shoes. I've been in the position where I have no money. I'm negative. I'm down. And yeah. All right, guys. I'm going to make another video. I'm absolutely motivated right now. I'm going to make another motivating video. And I'm going to have that posted right after this. If y'all want to go watch that, it's just going to be a little psychology video. I'm absolutely fired up right now. Y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all in the next one.